Okay, so let's just check after waiting for a few hours, see if so the number, as you can see, has changed. See if the company we're registering is in the system now. Okay, so let's just go on compliance. Okay, so there is a company we just registered. So it's actually in the system. And since it's a new company, it doesn't have any information that needs to be verified because all the information has been entered in the system, as we can see. So now they start submitting returns this coming month. That's when they are going to start submitting returns. Okay. So I'm just trying to generate a compliance certificate for the client. Okay. So let's just wait and see. So the system is kind of taking a little bit longer when doing that. So it might be possibly that my internet is what's causing this situation currently. Okay, so the certificate has been generated. Okay, so have it on the PC as well as, okay, there you go. So now just waiting for it to show. Or I can just even open it from my PC. Possibly maybe it might take longer to display. Okay, there we go. So this is the certificate. So it expires in September, as you can see, which is a good thing. Okay. So that's how you register a company, and it's actually not even taking longer now. So it only took an hour for the approval to be done on Napsa site. So this is how to scholar. Hope to see you on the next video. Click like and subscribe to see more future videos like this.